wave hair. I'm really debating if I wanted to wash these bundles. Everything sit with the conditioner and all of that. I went in and ended up letting the bundles and the closure sit in the conditioner overnight, and I went in the next day and washed the hair thoroughly out in the morning and let it air dry. This wig was looking. At this point, I did have to cut the cameras because literally it was time to put my makeup on, even like past time. This took me a lot longer than I did, so I ended up just like rocking the hair out that night in its natural like wavy state, and then here we are the next day with me just going in and adding some curls to the hair. I did to my butt was like just too much, so I just went in and gave it a nice little like medium length cut, and using my 1.5-inch curling iron, I'm just going in and doing some big fast curls because what, your girl was going out again. I was going for brunch, something nice and fast. I do like how well this hair holds up a curl. After I finished curling my hair, I just went in with my little rat tail comb, not my rat tail comb, my wide tooth comb, and used my hands as well to kind of just help brush out the curls without like brushing them out, just like softly fluffing them out a little bit. And I just took out those bang pieces and just kind of played and maneuvered the hair, because curling the hair is half curling and the other part is maneuvering and just trying to manipulate the curls to go the way you want it to go, and which is what I was doing. Here we are with the finished look, and oh, this hair, this whole entire look, everything was just so good. Like, it came out just a lot better than I expected. The process was a little rocky because, you know, there's trials and tribulations with doing things for the first time, but I'm really happy with the way that I did everything. I did end up washing out the hair, like the whole quick weave washed out so easily. Like, I just put my head under like warm water like the instructions said and just started massaging, and the tracks came out, the liquid cap came out, and no edges came out, thank goodness, because I was a little bit scared about that. This was a very low maintenance type of hairstyle. Like, all you have to do is just honestly put some flexi rods to keep the style in overnight, and you wake up ready and looking good. And the less lace, like I said, the less you have to worry about, because it's really just so, it's very low maintenance. And but yeah, that's all I have for you guys in today's video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you in another one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And peace out, Girl Scouts. Goodbye.